You know, any car guy that turns around and tells you that he doesn't want to do 0 to 100 in 2 seconds is an idiot. I think EVs are the way of the future.
I drive a MG ZS EV. I bought the car in December last year. I originally owned a Range Rover, and I decided that I wanted to go for a trade, something that worked for work and something that I was able to bring down the costs and go on family holidays. My name is Karen Hawker, and I have a beautiful partner, Scotty.
Yeah, I drive a 1967 23 window split screen bus, which is really cool. If you look at the build quality inside the ZS, the soft touch plastics on the dashboard, it's just nicer. The red stitching, the carbon fibre, accents, that sort of stuff. It just kind of feels like they finished it off just that little bit better. They took a little bit extra time in it.
But it's also quite spacious and roomy, so we can fit 2 kids easily in the back.
Compared to the Evoque, yeah. The Evoque was tiny compared to that. It looks like a big car, but it's very, very small compared to that.
And we had 2 top-of-the-line cars before, so our loan payments were nearly $2,500. And with this car, a quarter of our loan payment now is going to pay this car off. So
once you factor in servicing and you know, and the fuel as well.
Over a week, I would spend at least $500 on fuel. Using an electric car now has saved so much money, and that money that I save, I put back into the girls. So, for instance, at Christmas, we're able to buy Luce a motorbike. We've got a dog, Lil's got a horse.
We've gone heaps more holidays. The engineering in an EV just seems to be worlds apart from a normal motor. Like, you don't get any anxiety of anything breaking down. There's no servicing, very little servicing. It's just a better way to go.
But also the servicing is capped, so I know the exact price every single time I go in. We've got leather seats, you've got a panoramic sunroof, you've got a sound system, and the quality of the MG is just...
Oh, so much better.
I've done nearly 20,000 Ks, so I drive roughly 1,000 Ks a week. If I'm not driving it during the weekday, I'm driving on the weekend and we're heading out to the city with our family.
And the best part about it is we've always got power. So as soon as we stop, it's just like a mobile phone, plug it in, you know, and it charges. So it's never any anxiety. And if we ever do, we can always find a fast charger pretty close.
Our typical day would be that we wake up, we get ready, we're getting the kids ready for school, you're getting ready for work, I'm getting the car packed, ready to drive. An hour away, Mum will pick up Lil, she'll get in the car, Lil goes off to high school, Luce goes off to preschool, I head to work, you head to work, do our thing, come home. We live on the Central Coast, we live on 10.5 acres with our parents, we have chickens,
got a couple of
dogs, rabbits, and a crazy rooster.
There's a lot of electric cars around here, and we literally live in the middle of nowhere. So you know, there's no facilities for electric cars around here. It's only what people bring themselves.
And the lady across the road actually has a blue MG electric one. We see her every day as we go to preschool. I think that people are looking for value for money, looking at cost-saving exercise, especially with the interest rates rising, price of electricity is rising. But we've got the value of the solar panels on our parents' roof, so we can put money back in.
And I think people are starting to try new things and then realising how good an electric car actually is. Like, they are fantastic, and it's been a great car.